With electric vehicles, or EVs, becoming more popular, the companies that build them require more rigorous testing capabilities. Eaton Corporation, a leader in innovative mobility solutions, needed a system upgrade to handle the testing today's EVs require. Specifically, one that could handle the increased speed and torque differences inherent in an EV drivetrain. To do the same testing, Eaton needed to spin their input somewhere between 2.5 and 5 times faster. And their current system was incapable of accurately controlling equipment at these higher speeds due to sampling rate and data limitations. Because Eaton's PLC-based systems were slower and more cumbersome, the engineering team had to be consulted often, wasting time and energy. This situation drove the need for a customized, flexible, and easy-to-use solution to provide the precision and speed required to replicate the EV motor's in-vehicle performance. They also needed their new software to be flexible enough to configure it to other test cells and be future-proofed to accommodate industry changes as they inevitably grow more complex, all of which would help Eaton maintain its competitive edge and accelerate EV product development. Enter ACS. With its Acselerant software platform running LabVIEW and implementing NI's data acquisition and control hardware, ACS delivered a comprehensive, user-friendly testing environment. Connectivity was made simple using EtherCAT and NI's C-Series modules, creating a system that was more flexible, modular, and able to be distributed within the cell.
The usability, my user interface, a very key aspect of why we chose the technology we chose with Acselerant, because usability for my operators to run up, pull up a test, was a very critical element of what I needed to have from an efficiency in my lab. But we also needed more data acquisition capabilities, higher sample rates, more channels, a lot of things that our, legacy technologies just didn't offer.
ACS and NI also supplied data acquisition hardware, including the real-time PXI controller, which, combined with the Acselerant control system, gave Eaton precision torque and speed control capabilities. Acselerant supports NI's real-time platforms, utilizing NI's hardware to deliver precise, real-time control and high-throughput data acquisition. Importantly, the software was easy enough to use for those without an engineering degree, freeing up Eaton's engineering resources. While NI provides the foundational LabVIEW software, Acselerant extends this foundation, providing a modular, configurable architecture. But the real value came down to customized performance and partnership. Eaton evaluated a number of software vendors, but ultimately chose ACS for their wealth of expertise, along with a team they could count on to implement multiple systems to Eaton's specifications.
With other software packages, they might be able to achieve 90% of their requirements. However, the final 10% was unachievable because the software packages were not customizable. With Acselerant, we're able to customize the package and provide the final 10% to achieve 100% of the system requirements.
Also, despite the complexity of Eaton's required testing environment, ACS made sure the system was simple to use. This meant Eaton's trained operators can easily perform tests, define a workflow, set and change input parameters, interpret the resulting data, and move between systems with speed and efficiency. The new ACS and NI system represented a major leap forward in data acquisition and testing capability.
So with our Acselerant software, we're able to take 1,000 hertz of data across all our channels at all times. This is a capability that we previously did not have, and this is giving us a lot more information to our product engineers to develop our products to a higher quality standard.
The Acselerant system empowers operators to run more tests faster. Their site license model allows them to use multiple machines, and the open source platform grants Eaton the flexibility to make changes internally. The resulting equation boils down to this: more data equals better data, which means better results and a better product in the end, now and well into the future.